Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to transfer USDT from Binance to KuCoin. To transfer USDT from Binance to KuCoin, you will need to withdraw USDT from your Binance account and deposit it into your KuCoin account. First step is to log into your Binance account. Go to your deposit section here. Now, if you do not have crypto asset, you can choose P2P trading or buy with USD. Or if you have a crypto asset, you can choose deposit crypto option. After that, find USDT in your wallet and click on withdraw. Enter the withdrawal details. Go to your KuCoin account to get the USDT deposit address. After that, enter the amount of USDT you want to withdraw. After that, choose the network for the transfer. Next is to complete the security verification. If prompt, complete any necessary verification like two-factor authentication to confirm the withdrawal. Review all the details and confirm the withdrawal. Another step is to get your KuCoin USDT deposit address. Log into your KuCoin account. After that, the Asset tab or wallet, you can find USDT option. Click on it and click on Deposit. Then you need to select the appropriate network that matches what you selected on Binance. Now, you need to copy deposit address. Copy the generated deposit address for USDT. After submitting the withdrawal from Binance, it may take some time for the transaction to be processed on the blockchain. You can monitor the withdrawal status on your Binance transaction history. Click on the icon which is right next to your profile icon and select Transaction History option. Last step is to verify the deposit on KuCoin. Go back to your KuCoin wallet and check your deposit history to confirm that the USDT has been received. Some of the things to keep in mind are: always double check your address. Ensure that the deposit address and network selected match between both exchanges. Sending funds to the wrong address can lead to loss of funds. Be aware of any fees associated with withdrawing USDT from Binance, which will be deducted from the total amount. Another is check the minimum withdrawal limit for USDT on both Binance and KuCoin. So that is how you can transfer USDT from Binance to KuCoin. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.